everyone, Lauren Fletcher here, and welcome to Work Truck Exchange 2025. We're kicking things off, and I am so excited. You can already feel the energy. Fleet managers and suppliers are going to be connecting, deals are going to be sparking, and this is just night one. Work Truck Exchange is not your average trade show. It's where real conversations happen, relationships grow, and the future of fleets get built. If you're not here this year, you're definitely missing out, but there's always next time. So get ready because WTX 2025 is just getting started.